is Lisa from Saitama, Japan. To think that just mishearing two pronunciations can cause mass confusion.
Ms. Lisa was having dinner with a local colleague at a hotel somewhere in the United States.
I'm so tired. I walked more than 10,000 steps. My legs are really stiff. Damn! I can't believe it! What made you walk that much? Were you daydreaming or something? I don't know, it just happened. By the way, this pizza is really delicious. I want to go back to Japan. I'm so glad you like it. Actually, it's my first time too.
It was a hotel that pilots often used.
Welcome to Johnny's Pizza World! How many of you are here today?
Just myself. I'm starving right now. Feed me something.
Alright then, follow me. I'll get you a seat. Very nice one. By the way, you look stylish.
Oh, come on. Stop flattering. You see a lot of pilots every day in this hotel.
But only you are the cool one. Some pilots are really assholes. You know what I mean?
Man, sorry about that. But you do have the pilot's discount still, right? Otherwise, I'm gonna go broke.
Don't worry, I'll make a special deal for you.
That's my girl. You know how to treat pilots so well.
Her colleague who heard the exchange between the pilot and the waitress.
There are many pilots in this hotel. Did you hear that? I want to say hi to them. Just kidding.
Didn't miss what they said.
There are many pilots in this hotel. Pirates?
She apparently misheard.
Give me your fucking money!
Pirates? Wait a sec. I'm getting confused. Pirates?
Asked she.
Pirates? Wait, what? What did you just say? No, not pirates. I said pilots. I'm sorry, but that was hilarious. I learned pronunciation is a must-have skill. I need to know more.
That's what she thought. But if there really is a pilot in the hotel...
Whoa! Pirates? No, pirates. I said pilots. No, there! Pilots! Pirates! Pirates! Pirates? Pirates?
Pilot!
That would be super funny.
Pirates!